Hey, this is Mark Davis with Big Water Adventures. Every morning when I get up to go on a shoot, I take a shower, I get nice and clean, and then it all begins. By the time the day is over, I've sweated, I've got probably fish blood on me, I've got dead bait, live bait, all the things that go along with being in an environment where there's lots of stains and lots of odors and lots of hard work. I need a great laundry detergent to take that stuff out and get me back to smelling clean and fresh when I put these things through the laundry. That's where Hero Clean comes in. This laundry detergent's got 7 different enzymes that attack pretty much anything that you can do to soil something, from sweat to odors. It doesn't just mask them with a fragrance, it actually neutralizes them, it takes them out, it makes them disappear. I promise you, this is what I use to get my bloody, sweaty, nasty, grimy, fishy shirts back to looking like this when I put them on the next day. You can find this product at hero-clean.com, and I highly recommend it.